everyone, my name is Marina Borushkina and today I'll give you a quick demo of DOOH Channel and how you can use it for your organization. At DOOH Channel, we are an AI-powered advertising engine focused on micro-audience targeting. Now, what does that mean? It means that you can reach very specific target audience, your persona or ICP, across the whole digital advertising ecosystem at scale, even when you're targeting very specific niches. With programmatic advertising, we are referring to the whole ecosystem outside of the social and search advertising, which is more traditionally adopted, or most probably you already run ads there. But with programmatic advertising channel, you can reach the rest of the internet. For example, showing your ads on Hulu, Roku, or YouTube. For example, showing your ads on CNN or Fox News. We integrate with over 150 ad exchanges to make that happen for you, and all of that is through the built-in access. And with programmatic advertising has been increasing in ad spend year over year, and this year connected TV, digital out of home, and audio advertising has been booming through the market. And with DOOH Channel, we focus on deep learning and AI to help you address some of the challenges in the market. First, there is no minimum ad spend for any of your premium advertising. Two, we have built-in access for 150 plus ad exchanges and over 50 different data providers to help you get the right access all in one place. You can target very specific audiences and have unified analytics throughout the whole customer decision journey. We are an AI engine that connects data and advertising components all in one place and places our engine on top of that with advanced reporting, benchmarking, AI optimization, cross-channel audience intelligence, and more to really help you scale your campaigns but also get the best performance. Some of our data connections on the data side include Nielsen, Iota, Bombora, Lotami, and with advertising, you can reach people on their mobile, on audio, digital out of home, connected TV, native advertising, video, display, and more. All of that built in inside our dashboard. You have all the advanced capabilities to set the right objectives, choose the KPIs that is most important for you with the specific targets to reach per campaign, frequency, standards. You can do day parting or daily caps for the budget, maximum CPM beats, pacing of your campaigns, and more to really help you scale your campaigns but also make them smart. We give you access to the whole programmatic ecosystem from Google to Microsoft, Yahoo, and many other networks to really help you reach that scale you need for the specific advertising audiences you are seeking across the whole internet and more. You have full access to reporting at any time within the dashboard for campaigns, for sites, apps, geographies, creatives, auction results, and pacing to really help you analyze your campaigns. And with that, our advertisers see at least 30% increase in performance, but also saving time. You can save a whole week in a given month on our platform by launching everything from a single dashboard with built-in access on all. Our AI engine also helps some of the advertisers increase their ROAS and decrease the cost per acquisition by as much as 100x in some cases. We have geofencing capabilities, e-commerce conversion rate optimization opportunities, and all the other advanced metrics to help you reach that. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us for more information. Today I'll walk you through DOOH Channel dashboard and show you how you can generate personas with AI, get AI marketing assistant support, or launch your advertising campaigns on programmatic premium channels. Here is your planning module dashboard. You have marketing plans, which we will generate in a minute. You have your growth station with quick links. You can also explore our knowledge base, hire a growth expert if you're not a marketer and need more support or resources, as well as you can also schedule a call with our team to get more strategic guidance or support along the way inside the platform. Here we also have Ava, who will help you along the way to set up your campaigns or get advice on any questions you may have. For example, how do I run a geofencing campaign? Or what is geofencing? Or anything else. You can ask her almost anything, and she's right here at any time. Now let's generate the marketing plan. For example, let's say you're Apple, and we are in a consumer industry, and this is our website. We sell iPhone. In the US to consumers, and type of target audience is early tech adopters. Objective, awareness, main benefits, all right. The next step, just look at the persona and we then generate the playbook. It may take 20 to 30 seconds to load as we are generating various strategies here on spot. And then you'll have your persona. So then simply click to see the profile. And here we have John, software engineer. And here we'll look at the bio of John, some tags to identify John, which tech he uses, which social networks he uses, his goals, his challenges, what and who influences his decision, how he makes his decision, what are the KPIs for him, what he likes and what he doesn't like. For example, if you want to also edit anything on any section, simply click on the edit button, and then you can remove anything or edit anything, and then once you're done, just click on a tick box here. All right, so this was our persona profile. Now to launch the campaigns, we'll navigate to Activate screen. On the Activate screen, you'll have an overview where you'll have a quick start guide if you don't have any campaigns, but then you'll also have a summary of your campaign's performance with top sites and top ads. Right now it's empty because we haven't launched anything. You'll also have reporting with more details around the campaign, the sites, the apps, geographies, creatives, auction results, and even pacing. We'll also have a webinar that you can watch to talk a little bit more about analyzing different campaigns. And then we have these campaigns. One is pending, another one will launch right in a second here. And we can start with audiences. So here we'll create a new audience. You'll be presented then with a number of different templates. So you can upload your custom audience. Some of the use cases here are, for example, if you already are trying to reach to about 1,000 or a few thousand or even a few hundred people that you want to speak with for your sales, if you're a B2B type of campaign, that may be a good way forward. You can also do a geofencing campaign where you can look at the addresses anywhere in the world and geofence those, for example, stores or events that are happening in near real time in specific locations. And you can show your ads to anyone who is within the geofenced area. You can look at the remarketing campaigns, which is more popular and also pretty common for even social campaigns that you may be already running on, let's say, Meta ads. You can target specific sites. You can target any site almost in the world that has any of the ad slots. Let me give you a few examples. For example, Business Insider, one of my favorite examples because it includes a combination of multiple different ad formats. With programmatic advertising, you can get the reach on almost any website or app that you can think of. For example, here we have Snowflake advertising to me with their display campaign. This is a dynamic ad creative where you have a picture, title, and a call to action and sponsored by section. Let's click on an article and look for more ad examples to show you as well. It may take some time to load. Today my internet is not maybe the best. So here we have more ads. So this is most probably either an HTML or a GIF. So animated banner, those usually work really well. Here we have a static banner on the side. We have more video ads, more dynamic ads. We have then another banner ad right here. We have another native ad here with a picture, title, and sponsored by section. More animated ads with banner ads. There's lots of ads here. Let's scroll to the very bottom of this, and usually here we have a nice native ad slot with recommended to read, and here we have a Taboola feed. Taboola, Outbrain, GumGum, Nativo, and overall about 15 different ad exchanges from native networks are supported and built inside Growth Channel platform as well. So here you can also advertise on Hulu, and you can advertise on Disney with us as well. And here's an example of the native ad spots, which usually tend to perform a little bit better than just the display ads if your objective is conversion or engagement and not branding. All right, cool. So those could be different sites. So you can target Business Insider, CNN, Fox News, Adweek, anything, India Times. Then you have pre-built audiences. Those are usually third-party segments, and here we have 180,000 pre-built segments to choose from, and you can layer one element on top of the other. Some of them include demographics, for example, age or household income. Some of them may include previous purchases if people buy specific brands or specific product categories, or even maybe own a specific car, or maybe people in the market to buy a new house. Could be almost anything. We also have lookalike audiences. Again, it's more common for advertisers if you already advertise on other platforms, where you can build lookalikes of people who may be already purchasing or already submitted certain forms. You have contextual and keyword ads, which is based on our context AI. So if you are reading a certain article, you can get recommendations on the content that is similar or includes the keywords that you're currently reading. And you can also start from scratch, which is usually my go-to. So let's just do this one. So here I want to do, let's say, a simple remarketing audience, and I will add a new targeting rule. By default, you'll have group 1, and you can add more role groups if you want to. But if you want to look at the simple, straightforward targeting, just keep the group in a single category there and just go inside the actual targeting rules. And here you have third-party audiences, you have contextual, sites, geography, day parting, technology, interests, gender, pixels, age, different exchanges, channels, language, and other components that you can target. For a remarketing campaign, we'll choose my pixels, and here I have a few pixels that are preset. So I have a conversion pixel, a CRM, and a site visit. So in this case, I will want to target people who visited my site. And I can add new targeting rule, for example, for geography. If I just want to target people from United States, UK, Canada, maybe Australia. Let me think if I want anything else here. Let's do Netherlands. Cool. And then here is the role groups. I will put and to make sure both of these are met. And then I'll add channel. And here we have different channels. You have audio, you have connected TV, you have desktop and mobile web, digital out of home, display, mobile in-app, and mobile optimized web. Usually for conversions, I will choose desktop and mobile web and mobile optimized web, which works well for us. Native is also pretty common, but for this specific use case, I'll skip it. And then I will exclude people who already converted or part of my CRM group where I have a separate campaign going. And I click on submit. And then my audience has been created. We talked a little bit about pixels. I already have those set up, but here you can also create new pixels. So for example, I'm just gonna do a test. You can set retargeting or conversion pixel. Once you click on submit, you'll have a simple script that can be very easily copied and then added to your Google Tag Manager or directly into your site to trigger in a specific place. For example, if it is a site visit pixel, you will want to trigger across all page views. If it is conversion or form submission pixel, you may want to trigger it when people submit those forms on the thank you pages or at form fill triggers. If purchase is your trigger and your pixel, you may want to trigger it only at the purchase event, and usually it's a specific event in Shopify and in Google Tag Manager that you can find. And if you need any support for that, we can also schedule a call with our team to help you implement the pixels. Within Growth Channel, we focus on the separate pixels for different triggers across the customer decision journey, so then it is best tracked within our ecosystem. So in this case, you won't have a kind of a tag manager inside our platform, but we'll want to place the tags across the different elements of your site or outside of your site sometimes, based on what you want to track there. All right, cool. So the next step is creatives. Here we already have some preset, but we can definitely add new creatives here. Here we have banner ads, we have ad tags, HTML5 ads, audio ads, video, and native ads. The easiest one in most cases is the banner ad, and it's the most common ad format. However, you can also use other ad formats depending on the channels you want to run your ads on. For example, if you want to run podcast ads or Spotify and Pandora ads, you'll have to upload the audio ad, and you have an option there to add a companion banner as well that will be clickable on the mobile devices. If you want to advertise on the connected TV or streaming networks, that will be a video ad. If you want to advertise on digital out of home placements and billboards, those will be banner ads. And for most of the web, you can place web native ads, video ads, or banner ads. And here you'll have the ad dimensions and different requirements for the ads you can upload. For example, what formats we support, what sizes are maximums, what are the different ad dimensions for display across the desktop devices, mobile, and digital out of home, which stands here for DOOH. Here you'll want to give a creative name, for example, homepage. I will upload a few creatives here. All right, and you'll have the previews here as well. And then you can put a link to the landing page. If you want to specifically add UTM tags, you can also add the UTM parameters to your links and put them as a click URL for the landing page. So that is also possible and can be added right here. Additional, more advanced options are also available, so you can add your own impression tracking if you use any third-party analytics tools, or you can also add start date and end date as well. And then once you're ready, you click on submit. And then the banners will be added. You can also turn them on and off at any time, or preview, or edit the landing page or the name of the banners as well. And then we can launch a campaign. So let's launch a campaign here. We'll call it prospecting contextual, and we'll target our contextual advertisers with our DSP ads. And then we'll proceed. And here we can choose an objective, and then based on different objectives, we can select different KPIs for performance. For our case, I'll choose the conversion, and in our case, we'll look to optimize to $10 CPA. And we can start it today and run it until our special promotion is over on the 5th of December. I'm in Central Time Zone in Austin, so I'll choose that, and then I'll put a budget of, let's say, $250 with a maximum bid of $8 CPM and a frequency of 1 per hour view, and choose my conversion pixel as a conversion trigger. And that's it. On the next step, you can add your details for the checkout and launch your campaign. Once your campaign is saved and launched, it will be in a pending status while it's going through the review process. For the first set of campaign, it may take around 24 hours to go live. However, for any forthcoming campaigns, usually the campaigns go live within an hour or less. Just like any of your other social media campaigns or Google campaigns would do. We also suggest to have extension for existing campaigns if possible and when possible, because our AI learning models also focus on deep learning and therefore will optimize the performance based on the data that it gathers. And the more data it has, the better the performance. So the longer you run campaigns, the better usually the results. Let's look at some of the campaigns' performance just to give you an example. So here we have an example of the campaigns on the overview screen once you would already have some data in place. So it will tell you about your click-through rate, about the impressions, the clicks, the conversions, your CPC, cost per clicks, your CPM, which is cost per 1,000 views, your CPA, cost per acquisition, and the actual spend of your campaigns. It will also tell you about your top sites performance and the top ads. If you navigate to the reporting page, you will also know the breakdown per campaign, which you can also shuffle and look at the sorting based on clicks, for example, or impressions, etc. You can also look at the sites report here. And here you can also sort by the metric in terms of either impressions or clicks to really see which sites are performing best for you. You can also see more details in terms of the site performance. For example, like, okay, what's the Fox News generating for us? What's entrepreneur.com, Daily Mail, and so on. So really identify how each site and what the impact is. You can also look at the geographic report and the creative report. And here you'll know by creative what is the performance like, and then you can optimize the experience based on that. So here's a quick demo. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please speak with Ava or schedule a call with one of our team members to answer any questions you may have. I want to show you quickly our pricing before we wrap it up. So with Course Channel, we have 3 major plans, and those are business. If you have a single advertiser and it's billed per month per user, you can try it for 1 week for free until your billing will incur. We have an agency plan, which gives you multi-advertiser access, and also you can have different reporting, different access, different billing per each of those advertisers. And we have enterprise and reseller accounts as well. With enterprise accounts, you have unlimited users, unlimited advertisers, custom branding, API access, server-to-server integrations, and more. So you can also contact our team for more information. All our plans include opportunity to create personas with AI, no minimum ad spend, geofencing capabilities, all the built-in access, advertising on any premium channels and micro audience targeting. We also have add-ons available for anyone. So for example, if you don't have a team of marketers or PPC specialists to run your ad campaigns, we can also provide managed service where our team will be your dedicated support for campaign setup, strategy optimizations, reporting, and progress calls. We also have opportunity to generating marketing plan reports and your strategy guides. So you can contact our team for a quick demo on that as well. Custom audiences is our special offering under Events IQ, which is available for the US and gives you access to over 500 million devices on mobiles in the US alone, which is one of the biggest coverages that you will find with any vendor out there. And we can build audiences for advertising on any channel, including social media. You can identify opt-in email addresses, postal addresses, and build audience insights across the customer decision journey. So if you're interested in that, please contact our team for more information. And we have white label and custom branding opportunities, which include customization of the logo, the dashboard colors, links, subdomains, markups, etc., to really fit your brain and your business objectives. You can also read more about our case study and look at the frequently asked questions on our website. Subscription is powered by Stripe. Everything is secure with our servers across the world on AWS. Let us know if you have any questions and we'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching.